Here's how you can get rid of cockroaches fast, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare this bait. Take a plate and grate half a piece of charcoal into a fine powder. Now transfer the grated charcoal to a small glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Its sweet scent helps attract cockroaches to the bait. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is the active ingredient in the mixture. Now pour in a small splash of vegetable oil. It helps bind the ingredients together so the bait stays evenly mixed. Stir everything until you have a smooth, uniform mixture. Next, grab 3 plastic bottle caps or small plastic lids. Fill each one with the mixture. Place one inside the pantry, another near a drain, and the third behind the refrigerator or next to the garbage can. These are common places where cockroaches search for food and water. Using several bait stations gives them more opportunities to come across the mixture as they move around your home. As they find the bait and continue returning to it, you may begin noticing fewer cockroaches over the next several days. Check the bait every 3 to 5 days and replace it whenever it becomes dirty, dries out, or has been consumed. Keep the bait out of reach of children and pets, and wash your hands after handling the ingredients. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.